are exploring Baltimore today with Jake and Devon. We surprised Devon yesterday for his birthday, as you already saw, and now we're exploring Baltimore with them. We're headed down to the water, and then we're gonna see a tree lighting ceremony tonight. Let's go! This is my best friend. How long have we been best friends for?
Almost, I guess 13 years now.
13 years. We've been best friends since freshman year of high school. Since even before that, because we did cross country together the summer before our freshman year.
Yeah, before school even started.
And he was living in Lebanon with Jake, his partner, and they were there for, how long were you there?
Just for 2 years.
For
but
2 years!
Not back in high school, just now.
Yeah, this was recent. But he just got home, and this is the first time that I've gotten to visit him in his new home.
In Baltimore!
Baltimore!
Sing the song.
No.
Let's do it.
No. You can add it over in post. And then you can tell yours when it comes to the harbor.
He's saying I finished it. Did I finish the story?
I don't know what that is. I'm looking for jellyfish.
We're checking out the harbor right now. Devon said he's seen a few jellyfish here. Maybe we'll see some, maybe not, but it's a really pretty area.
Oh, you got crab cake.
That's what Reed got, the mystery can. What's your mystery beer?
It's definitely an IPA. I would never hear IPA. Southern Tier IPA, 350.
I am chilly, but we are having a nice walk to the lighting ceremony, the monument lighting ceremony. We are gonna walk all the way there. No, we're walking part of the way there, and then we're gonna take the bus the rest of the way. We are in good spirits, and I'm just looking forward to it. I'm really happy to be here with my best friend and with his partner Jake, and I'm glad that Reed and I got to come here before we head south to Atlanta to see his family. So all in all, it's been a really good day.
Talk about really cool fireworks shows. That was amazing.
Yeah, it was amazing.
We are freezing.
I'm cold.
As you can tell, we're trying to bundle up. I don't want any skin showing right now. We're trying to get an Uber and get out of here. It is cold. Cold. But that was really cool. I'm so glad we got to see the lighting of the Washington Monument in downtown Baltimore.
We'll leave one final clip of the show right here, and we'll check in the morning. You'd love that. Everything here is made in Baltimore.
Be more, baby. There's the pandemic. fun. We're filming. Oh, I'm sorry. Baltimore is also called Charm Syrup. Rat City.
My ancestors' voice. We're making homemade pizzas, and it was all Devon's idea. I'm gonna be putting onion, pineapple, and what else?
There's spinach, onions.
Spinach.
We have mozzarella, provolone, and Parmesan cheese.
Oh, and we have a jalapeno. I'm gonna put all that on it. If you don't like pineapple on your pizza, there's two kind of people in this world. Jake's famous mulled wine.
What are these big pieces of fruit?
Oranges.
It's renowned. We're gonna play this game called Worst Case Scenario. Our friend Maddie, one of our best friends, gave me this for my birthday last year, and it's gonna be good.
No, you get red.
Green,
Black. Is there yellow?
green.
There is yellow.
I want yellow.
Oh, really? Designate a responsible scorekeeper who should write each player's name or nickname in one of the rows.
Thank you, Denise and Reed, so much for surprising me on my 28th birthday. I had a blast with you two here in Baltimore. Thank you for hanging out with me in my new city. I can't wait to have you back. Smash that subscribe button, turn your notifications on for when they upload a new video. We're in Vlogmas, new videos coming daily. You don't want to miss it.
Hey, I know that's right.
Hey.